In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a fully structured Asana project for a marketing campaign, February 2026. Start by creating a new project and naming it Marketing Campaign, February 2026. To keep everything clean and demo ready, add 5 sections: planning, content creation, design, publishing, and analytics. We'll also use 2 custom fields on every task: priority with high, medium, or low, and status with to-do, in progress, or complete. That way, anyone glancing at the board instantly understands what matters most and what's moving. In planning, add 2 tasks. First, research competitors, due February 7th, assigned to Sarah, priority high, status complete. In the description, note that the goal is to identify the top 5 competitors, capture their messaging, channels, offers, and any creative examples. Include links to sources so the team can verify details later. Second, define campaign goals due February 8th, assigned to John, priority high, status in progress. In the description, outline SMART objectives, the target audience, the primary call to action, and success metrics such as click-through rate and sign-ups. Move to content creation. Add write blog posts due February 12th, assigned to John, priority medium, status in progress. In the description, specify 2 posts aligned with the campaign goals, key messages, and suggested keywords, plus a link to a shared draft document. Then create social media copy, due February 13th, assigned to Alex, priority high. Status to do, with directions to produce platform-specific variations, recommended hashtags, and UTM-tagged links. In design, add create banners, due February 14th, assigned to Sarah, priority medium, status to do. The description should include required sizes for web and social, brand color codes, and file format expectations. Next, design email templates, due February 15th, assigned to Alex, priority high, status to do, noting the layout, header image needs, button styles, and mobile responsiveness requirements. Under publishing, create schedule posts, due February 20th, assigned to John, priority, medium, status to do. The description should reference the approved copy, assets, and the posting calendar. Also add send newsletter, due February 21st, assigned to Sarah, priority high, status to do, with notes on the target segment, subject line options, and final checks for links and images. Finally, in analytics, add track engagement due February 26th, assigned to Alex, priority medium, status to do, specifying dashboards to review and metrics to monitor daily. Then prepare report, due February 28th, assigned to John, priority medium, status to do, outlining a summary of results, insights, and recommendations for next steps. With all sections, tasks, due dates, assignees, priorities, and statuses in place, your project is organized, clear, and ready for a polished demo.